Hey Lyra Tech fam! Today we are checking out the CHUBORY 4K drone, an exciting option for beginners looking to get into aerial photography. This drone packs a lot of features and impressive flight specs into an affordable package, making it sound very appealing. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core performance and features of the CHUBORY 4K. This drone offers an excellent flight performance profile, especially with its extended flight time from 3 batteries and a remarkably. The 4K HD 120-degree wide-angle camera is a solid inclusion, though more specific details on its video quality or stabilization. It comes packed with numerous intelligent flight modes, including follow me and trajectory flight, making it very versatile for different. The compact, foldable design coupled with its lightweight and included carrying case makes this drone exceptionally portable and easy. Overall, the flight capabilities and smart features are a clear highlight, offering a great experience. Next, let's consider the overall value and what it means to own this drone. At just $89.99, this drone offers exceptional value, providing a 4K camera, 3 batteries, and powerful brushless motors at. Ownership convenience is excellent as it weighs under 249 grams, avoiding FAA registration, and also comes with a reassuring 1 year. While many features are clearly outlined, the full specifics on the 4K camera's frame rate and exact GPS capabilities are. This drone provides fantastic value for its price and offers hassle-free ownership, making it a highly. The CHUBORY 4K drone offers an impressive package for its price, especially for beginners. With 3 batteries delivering 84 minutes of flight time, a decent 4K camera, and a wide array of smart features, it stands out in its category.